Hello, everyone. This is Matt, and I am the publisher of the Fed Trader Service, and I actually do the trading myself too. And you're probably watching this video thinking, okay, well, this sounds pretty interesting, but how exactly does this Fed Trader Service work? How exactly is it going to play itself out where if I sign up for a subscription, how am I going to receive the information I need in order to make the trades that potentially could net me a lot of money, a lot of profit, right? Well, this is the point of this short video that you're watching right now, all right? So what you're looking at here on your screen is basically what you'll see inside of the members area when you click on the previous trades. You'll look and see, the recaps of those trades and see how they went. And so what I want to just do is explain how all this works. So this is from a trade we did in March 2018 that we based around a Federal Reserve meeting on centered around an interest rate decision where they actually decided to raise interest rates. But the point being here is that I sent out the initial email to let people know, hey, there's a trade today, right? Because there's not a trade every day. This is based on certain events. So you can see down here where it says 3 out of 4 interest rate trades were last year were immensely profitable for us. Please don't bet the farm, yada, yada, yada. So that's just to give you a heads up. And then also the next email comes a couple hours later in the day, and I say, okay, this is the trade I placed. I bought the GLD strangle here, the 126 calls and 125 puts at $1.35 per strangle. All right. I said I will likely sell the losing leg by 3 p.m. and then hold the winning leg afterwards. So that was, and then the next email, you can see I have like a little divider here. So I just post this in here afterwards for educational purposes, just, to be able to look back and see how things went. But each of these is separate emails that I'm sending. But right here is the next email. It says, Fed traders, I have sold the GLD puts as the losing leg after the Fed raised rates. Yet gold prices are finding a bid in spite of that as the dollar drops. All right. As I said, I'm holding the calls for now. I'll let you know when I sell them, maybe before the bell. But if you don't hear from me again, assume I'm holding them overnight. Okay. So then what happened next, I'm recalling from memory, is that the next day gold didn't do much. I'm usually out of these trades totally within 24 hours. But what happened was gold didn't really do much the next day, even though I was still holding the calls. So I went ahead and held them into the next day, which was a Friday. So this is the last email here where I closed out the trades. And I said, Fed traders, wow, wow, wow. What a gap higher on GLD this morning. It was a great gap higher. We had nothing to worry about. Just took a day longer than usual. Just a little bit of lighthearted humor there, I guess. And I said I sold my calls at $2.08 just after the market opened. Now, you can see here the proof right here. I posted the screenshot from my trade. I did really well. I think I made about $7 grand total on this trade. And so it worked out really well. And if you remember from my initial email here, actually the second email where I highlighted the trade and alerted the trade, I paid $1.35. And then I sold the losing leg for 41. And so I did all that math right here. I paid $1.35 for my strangle, sold the puts as a losing leg at 41 cents, and the calls at $2.08 for a total of $2.49. And then I didn't use my handy dandy calculator. That's approximately an 84% gain, even factoring in the loss on the losing leg, which was the puts, right? So that's pretty much how it works, guys. And then in addition to that, I send out text alerts. So if you want to get a text alert to your phone as soon as I make the trade within, moments, seconds, usually, if not maybe a minute or two, after I make these trades for these Fed events, there's a handful of them. They're kind of changing, actually. There's some things that I used to trade in previous times that I don't trade anymore, and I've substituted different events to trade the GLD around those events now, and also sometimes the SPY ETF, by the way. And so, but basically, if you want to get those text alerts as well as the email alerts, sent to you, if you guys want to trade alongside me virtually for this with this stuff, I've had a really great success rate right at the moment, just under 70% win rate on this, and you can see the winners are more than 2%, right? I mean, 84% gain is pretty awesome, right? I've had some that approach 200%. So just letting you know, guys, and this is as cut and dry as you can get for fast-paced action. It's not really day trading. You know, there is sometimes where we will close it out within the scope of a day. But usually we hold at least one leg overnight of the straddle or the strangle. And that's pretty much how it works, guys. It's a lot of fun. I've gotten great feedback. You've probably seen some of the testimonials already that have been on my on these pages that you're on right now. If not, there's more testimonials on the order form. So, you know, guys, click the button beneath this video. Go ahead and head on over to the order form. I may even post this video right on the order form. I don't know. But basically, guys, the point is I want you to sign up. Okay? I want you to sign up because this works. All right? If you're frustrated from options trading, you know, lost money time after time after time after time, play it this way, guys, because we make money whether the market goes up or down, right? And there's a little bit of special sauce and secret sauce involved. And you can't just go randomly buy straddles and strangles on anything anytime, you know, and expect to make it work. So I've got it all narrowed down to a science, guys. You'll be able to see how it exactly works. Like you'll see my secret sauce. I'll show you exactly what strategy I use in approaching these straddles and strangles and why it works more often than not for me. So yeah, everything will be exposed and you'll be able to learn it for yourself as well as get my alerts inside the if you become a member of the Fed Trader service. So there is a special offer. So go ahead and click the button beneath this video, or if this video happens to be on the order form, go ahead and fill out the order form and go ahead and get inside the members area. The next trade is probably very soon, depending on when you're watching this video, but there's trades every single month, guys. All right, this is Matt signing off, and I really want you to sign up because I know you're going to be one of those guys that's sending me a testimonial next, similar to the testimonials you've already seen. All right, let's make this happen, guys. Go ahead and sign up for Fed Trader.